do our number talk first. And for our number talk, I'm gonna write a problem on the whiteboard. And your job is, just using your superpower of your brain, you need to figure out how to solve that problem. Try not to use your fingers. And once you have the answer and you know one way that you found the answer, give me 2 thumbs up. And while you're waiting, maybe you can find another way to solve it. Capiche? Let's do 5 plus 7. When you know it, give me 2 thumbs up, please. But remember, not just the answer. I want you to really use your math words and be able to explain to me how you got that answer. Remember, when you have that answer, 2 thumbs up. All right, Antoine, I see your 2 thumbs. Would you like to share? 11, okay, so I'm gonna write his answer down here. He thinks it's 11. Oh, sorry, you can't see it. Okay, who else would like to share what they got? Riley. Okay, Riley thinks 12. Did anybody get a different answer that is not 11 or 12, a different number? Thomas?
13.
Okay, he thinks 13. Any other numbers on here that we think could be the answer, but nobody has said it yet? Livy?
14.
Okay. 14. All right, hands down, let's think about this. I want you to look at those answers. We have 13, 11, 12, and 14. Are there any answer choices here that we can say, no way, Jose, that is not reasonable? Without even doing the math, we can say, we know it can't be that. Cheyenne?
14.
Okay, why is 14 not reasonable? Why?
Because that's a huge number.
It's too big. Okay, I'm gonna cross off. Are there any others of choices we can cross off because we know they are not reasonable? Jax?
11.
11. Why do you say 11?
Because that's one less than what the answer is.
Okay. All right. So we have 13 and 12. Jax did tell us the answer. The answer is 12. But let's share. How did you get 12? How did you solve that problem? What strategies did you use? Riley.
So sometimes I just say the first number, then I count the next number more.
Okay, did you start with 5 or did you start with 7?
I started with 7 because I go to the higher to the lower.
Awesome. Okay, so Riley started at the 7 and then she counted 5 more. So she went 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. She used counting on. Beautiful. Very proud of you. Jax, do you want to share how you solved it?
What I did was I remembered how 7 plus 3 was 10, so I took away 5 Then I got 12.
Okay, so you did this. You crossed out this 5. You broke it apart. You did 3 and 2. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, because you know that 3 plus 2 is 5. But what'd you do after that?
Then I added 2 to the 10.
Oh, so you did 7 plus 3 and got 10 and did 2 more. Excellent strategy. We practiced that yesterday, making 10. Leah, would you like to share how you did yours? You have to hit your mic so it's not red. Very good.
I forgot what we're talking about.
Oh, well, let's catch you up. So we're doing our number talk, and our number talk was 5 plus 7. And we're talking about different strategies, different ways that we got our answer 12. Do you want to share how you got your answer or no?
Say it again. What did she say? 5 plus 12?
5 plus 12 equals...
Or 5 plus 7.
5 plus 7 equals
5 plus 7 equals 12.
Yeah, how did you get that? Do you just know your math facts or did you use a strategy?
Yes, yeah.
I think I used my math.
You just knew it? You just know your math facts? Good job. We are going to do one more because you guys are using great strategies. We're going to do one more. It's going to be a really big one. We have 9 plus 8. So when you know it, you do 2 thumbs up. When you know it. Two thumbs so we know you're ready. Yes, Angel? Oh, don't type the answer in, Robert.
I was just going to ask if I can go use the bathroom.
Yes, you may, babe. All right, who wants to share what answers did they get? Landry.
I got 17.
Okay, Landry got 17. Did anyone get a different number that is not 17? Blake.
I got 18.
Okay, 18. Any other numbers? Did anyone get any other answers that we have not said yet? Livy.
17.
Okay, you got 17. We have 17 up here. Who else got 17? Anyone else get 18? A different number that's not up here yet?
I'm 19.
19? Okay. All right, let's talk. Are there any numbers up here, 17, 18, or 19, that are not reasonable? We know right away, no way, Jose, that is not going to work. Corey.
20.
20, okay. Now, out of 17, 18, 19, 20, are there any numbers that we know are not reasonable? It cannot be that answer choice. It doesn't make sense. Thomas?
40.
Yeah, you're right. 40 would not make sense. That would be too high, right? Can we eliminate any of these, though? 17, 18, 19, or 20? Antoine?
20 and 19.
Okay, why do you say that we can get rid of 20? What's wrong with 20?
Because 20 is nowhere near any like it's not anywhere in this map.
Okay, so you're saying it's going to be too high of a number. Okay, I like it. Are there any other numbers we know, 17, 18, or 19, that we can get rid of? Riley, no thank you. Benny.
16.
Okay, why do you say we can't use 16?
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Okay,
Okay, just give me a second.
we'll give you a second. Benny,
Mr. Holden, my screen keeps going on and off.
oh no, keep your camera off for just a second and then try it again, okay? Benny, you want me to call on someone else or give you a few more minutes? Call on someone else. Okay, if you remember, you raise your hand, okay? Well, I know you know it. Jax. Or any, can we get rid of
17 is
Sorry, go ahead, buddy.
19 is wrong.
Why do you say that? How do you know? How do we know it can't be 19? You're right, but how do you know? Oh no, we're frozen. Two thumbs if you can hear me and see me. Can you guys? Hello. Oh. I had a feeling when he said his kept going in and out. Two thumbs if you can hear and see me. Yay! Okay, Jack said, and we lost a connection, that we can, it will not be 19. He is correct. How do we know that 19 will not work? Leah? So funny. They're all in slow-mo. Riley.
I only see your circle.
Okay, you gotta go, you know where the chat box is?
Yeah.
Okay, go next to that and hit people. Do you see that? And then I have two. So you have to find the one that has the whiteboard.
Okay.
Okay?
I got it.
Awesome sauce. So Jack said that 19 will not work. He is correct, but how do we know that we cannot use 19? Answer cannot be 19. Leah? Hit your microphone.
I can't see.
Oh no, so same thing that I just told my friend Riley. Go, do you know where the chat box is?
Where's that?
Do you have an adult somewhere that you can ask them?
Okay.
And then I'll tell them, okay? All right, let's finish this problem, friends. 9 plus 8, it has to be 17 or 18. What are your strategies? How did you get your answers? Oh no, we're freezing. Angel. do I hit end?
Mr. Hoda's lagging again, not again.
I'm lagging, Antoine. What's that mean?
Mr. Hoda?
Yes.
Mr. Hoda?
Hello.
Another lag alert. Mr. Hoda?
We got a lag alert.
Mr. Hoda?
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm here. Give me.
Mr. Hoda?
Put 2 hands on top of your head. Oh my goodness.
Mr. Hoda?
2 hands on top of your head if you can hear me.
Mr. Hoda?
Blake, no thank you.
Mr. Hoda?
Blake.
Mr. Hoda?
Okay.
Mr. Hoda?
It's like they're here.
She'll be right back.
Where'd she go? We don't know.
2 hands on top of your head if you can hear me. I hear you guys. I hear you. You're making Miss K and I laugh. Can you do 2 hands on top of your head if you are still with us? Yeah, okay, we still have some friends with us. I'm gonna see if I remove some and then they rejoin, it'll help. Okay, we had 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? Who can tell us? Antoine.
I didn't raise my hand.
Oh, you weren't raising your hand. I'm sorry. Who can help us? How did you get your answer? So then we can move to our homework. Help us out. Help us out. Oh no.
Why in the world did name this? Why does this keep happening? Why does this keep? We don't know.
All right, friends. Our internet.
Why do you keep doing that? That's weird.
Oh, I missed this. Okay. Let's try this again. I left. Fingers crossed I re-enter. I should have just started with the classwork. Uh-oh, because now it's not working. Do, 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 do. Come on. Are they all still in there?
They're like, some of them are in slow motion, some of them are like frozen on funny faces.
It's not letting me back in.
Oh my gosh, Landry's collar, Miss Jehovah in the camera.
Oh no. I needed a good laugh, but I wish this would work.
Maybe they get, well, I don't know.
Can't be reached. Think if I just keep teaching, they'll keep watching.
Flash me out.
Oh, is it gonna let me back in? Okay.
Why is the internet so crazy, guys?
I'm back. All right, I am back. I know, crazy times. All right, mics are muted in 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is mute your mics. I am back. Hello. Enjoyed your break, I hope. 2 thumbs up if you can hear me.
Mr. Hoda.
Blake, Miss Jehoda is not going to continue to mute you.
Mr. Hoda.
Thank you, Thomas. I love that. Class, your mics are muted.
I think she left too.
I'm muted. I'm back. Please mute your mic.
I'm Mr. Hoda. Where'd you go?
Hello, Blake. Mute your mic, please. Thank you for your patience. I know that was some craziness. I want to start going over your math book so you know how to do your homework in case I accidentally lose you again. Capiche? So, math book's out. You were on page 23. 2-3. Yes, Leah.
Can I get my math book real quick?
Yes, you may. Can you give me a wave so I know you're with me and you are ready with your math book? Blake, this is your second warning. Mike is muted. There are no toys. Hello, Cheyenne and Benny and Antoine. I see you are ready to rock and roll and Angel's ready. All right. So we are on page 23. It says, look at the sums on an addition fact table for adding 0 to 5. Describe one of the patterns that you see. Use words, colors, or addition facts to help describe the pattern. So what it's saying is these numbers in the yellow, you see these? Numbers in the yellow. If I zoom in a little bit, hopefully you can see it a little better. When you take one number on the top and you go down and you go across, that is what your sum is, your answer. So what patterns do you see? Antoine.
I see X9, 8.
Oh. Okay, you see lots of numbers that are the same in different columns. Good. What else do you see? What other patterns? What pattern?
5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, look at this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Mike muted, please. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see that on yours too? Yes, lots of patterns. This is a great resource that will help you. We are going to use this. You have to practice, and I recommend you doing your fingers. So put your finger on the top 4 and the 3. Do that for me. On the top 4, on the side 3. When you go down and you meet in the middle, it will tell you 4 plus 3 equals, what did you land on? Benny?
Well, I was just saying I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, go ahead, buddy.
Okay.
What do you, Thomas?
7.
7, yes. That's your answer. Let's do another one. If you put your finger at the top 2 and on the side 5, when you go across and down and you meet, what will you get? 2 and 5. Livy? Close. Use your fingers. Go to the top and then across and meet down. 7. Good job. This is a great tool that's going to help you. Open up to your next page, which is page 24, 24. And yours should look like mine. We're up at the top. It says, how can you describe a pattern for all the sums of 6? We'll look at 6.
Turn to what page?
24. 2-4.
I can concentrate on this.
Do you see Benny's little brother? Hi, Benny's little brother. have a new student, huh? Okay, so look at the pattern. What do you notice about 6? When I go from 6 and 0, I get 6. And I go 5 and 1, 6. 2 and 4, 6. 3 and 3, 6. Do you see that? It goes diagonal. Because those are all the different ways and all the different numbers you can add up that equal 6. So you can write all those numbers, your top number and your side number, as an equation. So if we had 4 plus 2 is 6, and they show you, because if you go to the top 4 and down, and the 2 and across, you get 6. And it is a fast way that, look, you can see all your facts that make 6. So that is what we are going to practice. Let's look at number 1. Guided practice number 1. It says 10 plus 6 equals 16. Oh yeah, it does, so I'm going to trace that. Also says that 9 plus 7 equals 16. Different numbers, same answer. Oh, doubles fact, 8 plus 8 is another way to make 16. They just reversed the fact here, 7 plus 9 instead of 9 plus 7. And same for our last one. They flipped the first one and the last one. 6 plus 10. What do you notice about these? What is that pattern in number 1? There's a pattern. What is all the same? Every single one of those equations has something that's the same for number 1. And what is it? Cheyenne?
They all equal 16.
Yes, dab for you, because you are correct. They all equal 16. There's different numbers, but they all equal 16. Let's look at number 2. This time we have 10 plus blank equals 14. Well, if I'm at 10, how many more do you need to count up to equal 14? Landry.
4.
Yes, 4, because 10 and 4 more is 14. Go ahead, write it in, and we're going to do the next one. This one's a little trickier. Now we have blank plus 5 equals 14. So what number plus 5 is going to equal 14? If you want to go up and use your chart, you can. You can go to 5, find 14, and then go all the way up. And that will give you your answer. Who knows it? Leah? Thomas? Not 3, pretty close. I want everyone to go up to their chart. I should see everyone's lovely faces. You are doing a great job. Go up to your chart. Go to the side and go to 5. Then go across and find 14. And once you find 14, if it helps you, you can circle it. But if you look all the way up in that column, what row is 14 in? That will give you your answer. Blake?
The
Yes, it's in number 9. Good job. Because 9 plus 5 equals 14.
I just got kicked out. I don't know how I got kicked out.
Me either. I didn't do it, but I'm happy you're back.
I just got kicked out twice because first I got kicked out once and then I just got kicked out.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm happy you made your way back. How about this one? Remember, they all have a pattern. 8 plus 6. We should be able to look at the pattern, what all these problems are going to have the same of, and quickly find that answer. Who can tell me? Landry?
14.
Bingo, because all of these are going to have the same sum as 14. Our next,
Miss,
hold on.
My tablet's gonna die and it won't charge even if I'm on it and the charge is in. So I had to turn off my iPad.
Okay, you might, you finish your stuff later then, all right, buddy? I'll see you tomorrow. All right, our next one, we're almost done, guys. We have 7 plus blank equals 14.
What'd you say?
I said if you have to go, that's okay. You can watch the rest of it later, and we'll see you tomorrow if it dies. Benny.
7.
Yes, good job, Benny. 7 plus 7 is 14. Looking at these patterns and these numbers, how can you figure out what blank plus 6 equals 14?
My screen's glitching out.
Okay, just turn your camera off and listen and watch. Jax.
My iPad is dying too.
Okay, well, help me with this lesson so I can let you guys go.
What?
Help me out. Blank plus 6 equals what? Leah.
Are we on 2?
Yes, we are. Leah, answer that for me, please. Look at your numbers and your patterns in your equation. 6 and what number equal 14? Use your chart if you want someone to help her out. Go up to your chart. Go to the side and find 6. Go across until you find 14. And what row is it in? Livy.
I wasn't raising my hand.
Oh, sorry. Someone help me out, guys. Thomas.
You. 8.
Thank you. 8. 9 plus what is going to equal 14? Look at your other equations. Benny. What you got, Ben?
5.
Correct. 5. You're on a roll, Benny. 5. In our last one, we have blank plus 4 equals what? Leah. Are you stretching or are you raising your hand? Cheyenne? 10. Correct. So here's your job, kiddos. You need to do this page by yourself. You have page 25. What page? 25. Yes, and you have to put it on Seesaw. Capiche? All right.
Do we go number 3?
You can finish number 3 if you want, but your homework assignment is page 25. All right? If you are ready and you need to charge that tablet and you know what you're doing, you may hang up. the rest of my friends, when you are ready, you can hang up.
Bye.
Bye. I will see you tomorrow morning.
Bye. I'll see
Bye.
you tomorrow.
Bye. Charge your tablets.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.